Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the DiamondBoxx Model L3. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $1,000. Now I know what some of y'all getting ready to say. $1,000? The price is too goddamn high. No. Okay, no. This is one of those products that's worth every penny. Now if you watch my videos, you see me review the DiamondBoxx XL2. That speaker is easily, and I mean easily, the best portable Bluetooth speaker on the market, period. Now you also see me review the DiamondBoxx M3s. Now you're not going to find a better sounding Bluetooth speaker at that size on the market. All right, so the bottom line is DiamondBoxx makes the best portable Bluetooth speakers on the planet. And this is one of them. All right, now I've been using this for about a week. I'm already in love with this. I'm blown away. You're going to love it too. All right, so let's go through all of the features. Now, it's Bluetooth version 5.0. The speaker's IP54 weather resistant. Now, it's loud, 120 decibel output at 30 meters. All right, that's crazy. Now, it's 600 watts max power, 300 watts RMS. Okay, this is a powerful Bluetooth speaker. Now, check this out. You got 4 speakers. Each speaker has its own amplifier. Let's talk about that for a minute. That's the reason why you can blast this speaker at max volume with 0 distortion, 4 speakers, each with its own amplifier. Now you got a bass, treble, and a volume control. You got 2 aux inputs and a line output jack. The speaker features TWS, that's true wireless stereo. So you can pair 2 of these together or 2 compatible DiamondBoxx speakers together wirelessly. Now listen to this, no plastic. All right, this is made the way real speakers are supposed to be made. Wood, leather, and aluminum coated in Duratex. Now that's one of the reasons why this speaker costs more than a JBL speaker. No plastic. All right, we're going to show you that in a minute. Now you got a 2-carat cubic zirconia diamond that changes colors to show you your battery percentage and your true wireless stereo settings. The battery life on this is 30 hours. Now if you rock this at max volume, you can play it straight for 6 hours. All right, so let's unbox this and see what it is. All right, so here's what you get in the box. You got your usual books and shit. Pluck them, file them to the side. You got your volume, treble, and bass knobs. Now it comes in 4 different colors, and they send you all 4 colors. So you got gold, black, red, and blue. Now you can easily change these. I'll show you how to do it. You get a 3.5 auxiliary cable for non-Bluetooth devices, and you can also use this to daisy chain multiple speakers. And you got your plug. All right, so here's the front of the speaker. Now the front panel is made out of beautiful aircraft grade anodized aluminum. Now it also serves as a heat sink. Now you can see your 4 speakers, your bass reflex port, and here's all your control knobs. Let's zoom in a little bit closer. All right, so you got your DiamondBoxx branding. Underneath that, you got 10 white LEDs. You got your auxiliary input. You got your 2-carat cubic zirconia diamond, which changes colors for battery percentage and true wireless stereo settings. And on a side note, I think that's a real diamond. All right, they say cubic zirconia. I don't know. It looks like a real diamond to me. Once you buy the speaker, consider it a real diamond. You got your treble, volume, and bass controls, which are blue, but like I said, you could change the colors. Underneath that, you got your power and your true wireless stereo button. All right, so here's the front one more time. Now, if you notice, I changed the knobs from blue to red. Now, to change them, real simple. Just pop them out, stick them back on. Again, no plastic materials at all. There's your woofers, your tweeters, your bass reflex port. The front panel, beautiful aircraft grade anodized aluminum. Let's take a look at the sides. All right, so here's the right side of the speaker. Now, the whole speaker enclosure is made out of MDF wood coated in Duratex. Now, Duratex is what's going to give it that IP54 weather resistance. And on a side note, MDF wood sounds way better than plastic. That's what you're paying for. Here's the left side of the speaker. Here's the back of the speaker. Again, one solid cabinet, all made out of MDF wood coated in Duratex. Now on the bottom of the back of the speaker, you got your 3.5 auxiliary 2 input, your charger input, and your 3.5 output. Here's the bottom of the speaker. Now you got 4 big rubber stoppers. That's going to keep it from moving around. Now here's the top of the speaker. You got a leather carrying handle. Now the speaker weighs about 32 pounds. And for size comparison, here's an iPhone. So you get an idea how big the speaker is. All right, so here's how it looks once you power it up. There's your LEDs, and your diamond lights up. All right, so one thing that I want to mention, pairing the speaker. Now, when you power on the speaker, make sure the volume is set to 0. I repeat, make sure the volume is set to 0, power on the speaker. That's going to put it in Bluetooth pairing mode, then pair it up just like you would any other Bluetooth speaker. All right, so make sure you put your headphones on, or make sure you watch this video using a quality system. Now, as usual, you're never going to be able to truly hear a Bluetooth speaker on a YouTube video. You're just going to have to take my word for it, but listen for yourself. All right, I'm going to start off at 50% volume, max treble, max bass. Here we go. Okay, now listen for clarity. I'm going to increase to max volume. Here we go. Bro, I'm telling you, this video is not doing this speaker any justice. You gotta listen to this in person. The clarity, all right? The music sounds incredible. It's ultra loud and crystal clear. Let me play another track. All right, here we go. right, I forgot I was making a video. This speaker sounds incredible. All right, I love it. Now let me blow y'all away real quick. Watch this. All right, now this is semi-crazy. I got a DiamondBoxx XL2, the big boy, paired up with the Model L3 using TWS, True Wireless Stereo. Check this out. Now look, I know when y'all watching this video, it just sounds like regular music, but sitting in front of these two speakers is like sitting in front of an air conditioner. That's how much wind is coming at me. This is mind-blowing. Now I'm gonna go full crazy right now. All right, now this is full-blown insanity. I got a DiamondBoxx XL2 and a DiamondBoxx L3 connected using TWS, and I got two DiamondBoxx M3s connected using the auxiliary cables. Now, this is the setup if you want to get evicted from your house, if you want to get the cops called on you, or you got some neighbors that you want to get payback on for playing their loud music. This is how you do it. Now, of course, I got the official Flossy Carter sound test by my homeboy Mark Rebier. Let's get it.
Yo, sound test, time for sound test. Everybody shut your mouth, time for sound test. Time to test that quality of sound test. How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound, Floss? How's it sound now? How's it sound now? Does it sound big? Does it sound loud?
How's the bass, baby? How's the treble on it? How's it sound now? How's it sound now?
That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. Sound test. That's a sound test, baby. That's a sound test. That's a motherfucking sound test. How's the sound on that shit? God damn it, how's the sound, white shoes? How's the sound on it?
Ladies and gentlemen, Mark Rebier. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the DiamondBoxx Model L3 is a major go. Is this speaker worth $1,000? And the answer is hell yeah, worth every penny. All right, this speaker will blow you away. Now, like I said, the video is not going to do it justice. Max volume with zero distortion. All right, if you want to spend money on a speaker, this is the one to get. Now, the quick side story, my homeboy just came over the other day. He wanted to know which speaker should he get, the big giant bump box or should he get the DiamondBoxx? I said, look, come over to my house right now and listen for yourself. Now, he wanted to know, should he get this big giant bump box right here or the DiamondBoxx? I said, you're going to like the DiamondBoxx better. He said, nah, I think I'm going to like the bump box because it's bigger and it got more speakers. I said, trust me, come over and listen for yourself. Once he did, he purchased the DiamondBoxx immediately. All right, if you're looking for quality speakers, check these out. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. Hashtag salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spark one to beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.